Good ball, good ball. 2 points, Cyril Manuel.
Ano, nasa dowa. Nasa dowa.
2 points.
Shot,
2
2 points. Sino nakashoot? Dead block, all 2. Steal by number 0. What is number 0? Alley play. No good.
Number 30 yun.
Number 30. 20. Nakashoot.
20.
15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Number 25. No good. 3 by De La Cruz again. 14 second shot clock. Yuri. Pass to number 18. Fernandez. Fernandez. Lumipad. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. 3 by Ingo. 9 minutes and 3 seconds. Ingo to the basket, 2 points. David Ingo, 4-2 in favor of Team Ingo. 2 points then. Is it then?
Oh.
Deadlock, all 4.
Hernandez.
Fernandez. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Arroyo. Arroyo. Arroyo, looper shot. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Then, pass to number 0, no good. Rebound by number 17. Sa ilalim, 2 points. Number 25, Francisco. 6-4 in favor of Team Back. Arroyo pa rin, no good. Rebound by. Rebound by. Ingo. So another Ingo. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 6, 2 points. Number 6, Pilar. Deadlock, all 6.
Ito pala oh. Bosley
Ano
oh.
pala eh?
Nasa Carlos Pizzo.
Well, 20 seconds to shoot. Rest.
Bagong tabas.
2 points, number 20, Broso. 8-6, Ingo. Deadlock, all 8.
Wala.
Welcome back sa ating mga kondisyon, no? Kondisyon. Team Yel and Toy Toots. Deadlock, only 7 minutes and 20 seconds sa first quarter. Cyril, pass to Arroyo, short jumper. Nugget, hindi mo pa Ingo again. Ingo, 12 seconds to shoot. Cyril, block by number 20, 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Good ball. Rebound by Rel. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Rel lumipad, 2 points. Rel De La Cruz. 10-8 in favor of Team Ba. Cyril, 2 points. Cyril Manuel. Deadlock all 10. Nugget, rebound by Cyril. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Out of bounds. Good ball. Good ball yan. Good ball. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Niyaya ko lang. Duty lang ako.
Oh. Number 18, Fernandez. Fernandez pa rin. No good. Rebound by Ingo. Deadlock, all 10. Ingo. Ingo. David. Spin move. Pilar. No good. Rebound by Arroyo sa ilalim. Arroyo, 2 points. 2 points by Ruel Ingo. Change table. 12-10. Lamang na. Team Ingo. Fernandez. Alley play na naman. No good. Rebound by Ingo. Ingo na mamadali. Ingo. Ingo. Ingo power move. No good. Rebound by Yuri De La Cruz. Steal by Cyril. 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 No good. Rebound by Broso. Alley play to De La Cruz, 2 points. Deadlock, all 12. Deadlock all 12. Well, De La Cruz. Ingo. To Arroyo.
Oh.
15 seconds to shoot. Arroyo, crossover move. Arroyo. Arroyo spin move. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ingo. No good. Good ball. Steal by Ingo.
Ay, video mo.
Ruel, pass to kapatid.
Naglolo ko nga yung cellphone. Ito na mo. Mag-deway na no. Nagsuzoom ko sa eh.
Nagsuzoom yan. Ayan. Nakapolitag ko na din.
Steal by Cyril. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. So Ingo, sa ilalim na naman. Block by number 20. Pero kay Ingo pa rin. Out of bounds. 15 seconds to shoot. Deadlock all 12. Deadlock all 12 ang score. 4 minutes exactly. 15 steal by Ren. Ren, alley play. No good pa rin. Rebound by Cyril. Cyril, pass to Ingo na naman sa ilalim. Ingo na naman. 2 points. The big Ingo. 14-12. Binawi sa kabila. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ruel. Ingo. Ruel. Short jumper. Wala. Ruel pa rin sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Broso.
Nahula yung jump. Bago talon.
Broso. Pass to take 3. No good. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Ingo. Ingo lumipad. 2 points. David. Ingo. 16-12.
Pangit ah. Pangit na ito.
Out of bounds.
Gumagano'n eh.
Naglolo ko yan.
Nagsuzoom ko sa eh.
Nagbubukas siya.
Fernandez. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Ren. Ren pa rin. No good. Rebound by Arroyo. 2 minutes and 35 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Arroyo. Arroyo fake shot. No good.
Peng lang.
Broso. Pass to Fernandez. Wala pa rin. Rebound na naman Ingo. Ingo na naman. Ingo. Out of bounds.
Fake love. Dito.
Akin yan.
2 minutes and 5 para sa ating first quarter. 2 minutes. Steal by Fernandez. Fernandez ang mamadali. Fernandez. Alley play 2 points. By Francisco. 16-14. 2-point lead by Team Ingo. Cyril. Cyril looper shot. Block. Ingo sa ilalim. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass na kapatid. 2 points. Ruel Ingo. 18-14. Lamang na ng 4. Ang team Ingo. Adrian Tobit. Rebound by Ren. Spin move Ren. Lumipad. Wala pa rin. Ren pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rosso. To Fernandez. Ay, sorry. Francisco. 2 points. 16-18. Lamang lang ng dalawa. Ang team Ingo. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Ingo crossover na naman. Ingo na naman. 2 points.
Laki niyan.
The big Ingo. The bulldozer.
Oo, mamaya pa.
Steal by Ingo. 14 seconds sa ating first quarter. Tila 2 points. Tila.
Kala namin. Dalawa lang.
2 points. Well. 22-18. 33 seconds left. Double. 3 pa point. Out of bounds. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Sa ating first quarter. Ingo. 15 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds to shoot. steal by Ruel. Ruel, wala pa rin. Ruel pa rin. 2 points. 5 seconds to shoot. 24-18. 2, 1. End of the first quarter, we have score 24-18. Change court na po tayo.